how to create a cinematic flash transition in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Position your clips side by side on the timeline, then come up to New, choose Adjustment Layer, choose OK. Click and drag the adjustment layer above your two clips. Press the down arrow key to position the playhead in the middle of the two clips, then press Shift left arrow key to move back 5 frames and make a cut on the adjustment layer. Delete the excess. Then press the down arrow to go into the middle again, then Shift right arrow this time to go forward 5 frames, cut and delete the excess. Then select your adjustment layer, come up to Effects and then search for Levels. Drag the Levels effect onto the adjustment layer, then come up to Effect Controls, scroll down. Move your playhead to the beginning of the adjustment layer and create a keyframe for white input level. Press the down arrow key to go in the middle of the adjustment layer and then bring this white input level down to 0, and then move your playhead to the end of your clip and restore the white input level to 255. Double check that your keyframe is at the very end of the clip. And that's all there is to it.